Good morning. Shar back with another vlog, a maintenance vlog actually. On my way right now to get my nails done. Oh, help them, fix them. Okay, they need love. They need love. Yeah, I took all my nails off because well, they were breaking. I think they had got too long, and I think after like so many sets, like maybe 5 balances, fill-ins, whatever you call them, I just have to start over with a fresh set because yeah, they just start breaking off and it's just really bad. So I went ahead and I took them off myself. I did like the acetone, and I just kind of worked with them with little tools that I have, and I got them off. 2 of them kind of hard. I had issues with like 2 of them, so I'm gonna ask her if she can help me out with those 2. I've been wanting to go back to square shape. I've been doing coffin, kind of a coffin narrow shape, but I want to just go ahead and do square, a modern square. I think I'm gonna look through some pictures real quick so I can figure out which kind I want. But yeah, so I'm on my way to her now. I'm just so happy. It's been like a week and a half and I've been rocking this, okay? But yeah, it's so necessary. This is a full maintenance vlog, so my hair is not as where it should be at, period. Okay, so honestly, you guys, I'm thinking about getting braids. I wanted you guys' opinion on the braids, honestly. I'm thinking about getting single braids, so tell me your thoughts on that. And I'll see you when I get to the appointment, because I need to figure out what I'm gonna get, and I need to Google search some things, okay? So I'll be there shortly. Okay, going in. Yes. You seen I put full set on there? I did. Yeah. Oh, your nails cute. Okay, that's what I want. Good. I got a puppy.
Oh my God. Did you really?
Yeah,
Straight up, straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'm still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little beef in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta.
Yeah, how do we feel?
they're cute. I like them. Yes, adorable.
Love to hear, love to hear.
Thank you.
They'd rather be wild. Suspended, they wanna be down. Soon as got signed to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child.
All right, y'all, so step 2. I'm going to get my hair braided. I had to hurry up and rush and get out the house and just get on the road because I'm always in a rush, y'all. I'm always in a rush. I had to do I had to go to work, and I left early so I could get my hair done. So I left at 1:30. My appointment is at 2. So I'm here just a couple minutes early. I'm about to go in. I just texted her and said I was here. But this is my nails, y'all. I like my nails. They've been holding up okay. Now this is the first time I did gel X nails. So these are gel X, and I had took my nails off, so I was able to get a full set gel X. So and I changed my shape. I did it like a square shape. And yeah, I'm liking the square shape. It's cool. Yeah, so I'm scared a little bit, a little nervous, I guess I could say, because I haven't had my hair braided in so long, y'all. Since I was probably a young girl, I haven't had my braid. I'm sure I got, actually, I'm gonna say like early 20s. I don't really I haven't been wearing braids. Oh, she just texted me back. Okay, so she want me to come in, so I'm about to go in. I'm gonna get like singles. I might show you guys a picture of the inspired look that was on her page. I found her on social media. Yeah, so yeah, I dress comfortable because it's gonna be some hours, y'all, you know. So Y'all pray for me. Pray that it goes well. And I'm looking cute when I'm done, okay? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. I'm looking for... Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Hi. How are you?
R&B is in fact forever. So check out popular stations like Platinum.
I'm talking about you, but thug nigga, what you running from?
Things around my waist. With like some little machinery, something in the middle of it, in the back.
Done. Am I giving poetic justice? They're cute. I like them. Okay, cute. Don't hurt. They don't hurt. And she tried to give me a little baby hair. This was cute. So yeah, the girl is braided up, and I'm giving poetic justice. They long. So yeah, I'm about to take the dog out so he can go pee-pee, and then I'm done for the night. I'm tired, y'all. I sat in that chair for 5 hours. It took a little over 5 hours to do these. So yeah, I'm tired, but I think they did turn out good. Yeah. Still rocking the braids. I've been wearing them down now. I was a little worried. I don't know, I just wasn't used to having braids, so I kept on like trying to put them away from my face, but now I'm a little more confident with them. It was like really hard to sleep with them the first week, but I'm doing a lot better. Still rocking the nails, even though they've grown out a little bit. But you guys, I am having a mommy-daughter date today, and I'm on my way with my daughter to get pedicures. There she is. Yeah, so we're going to get pedicures right now, and we'll be there shortly. All right. Hello.
Everybody wanna be lit, everybody wanna be rich, everybody wanna be this. If us, you out hate me, bring my problems, suck my all of that talking, I'm calling it out. Public opinions for private accounts, you're not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout, do anything for clout. This is mad, this is trash, this is a grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt, ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Not from the couch, back.
Do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Anything. Do anything for clout.
Daughter went with the rose gold. Not too much for free. Not too much for free, y'all. But yep, we're all done. She gonna pay for us, so I'm happy about that. No, I'm just playing. I'm gonna get her this time. Yep. Thank you. All done. We might go get something to eat now. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching my vlog. This has come to the end. Braids looking good. I'm gonna get my nails done something cute next time though, so make sure y'all check out the next vlog too. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, okay, and make sure you like the video if you like the video, and follow me on Instagram. I'm at @SharaChanel_, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, I'm out. Bye.